We're here at Qudos Bank Arena and we're here to talk about the new Bose ShowMatch PA system that we've just invested in. Recently we were asked by the Kings if we'd be interested in not only a comms package for the Kings Homes games, but also whether we'd be interested in providing audio. Here we are 6 weeks later with a shiny new PA system.
The audio for us is pivotal. We've taken a basketball game and turned it and put a rock and roll show around it for all intents and purposes. We wanted to make the game day experience, we wanted to take it to a new level. The music and the sound has to have impact and because that moves people. It's like when you go to a concert and you have that experience and you know, part of it is feeling the sound as well as hearing it. We sat down with the PA people and they were able to educate us on all the attributes of the Bose system that they had.
One of the big pluses of the ShowMatch system and all of the Delta Q product range in general is the fact that unlike a standard line array where every box covers the same angle, ShowMatch has 3 different boxes. It has a 5-degree box, a 10-degree box and a 20-degree box. And you position those boxes and adjust the angles of those boxes in the array to form the coverage that you want. The system is crafted as a all-arena seat system with an infill system underneath it. Very even coverage. I would argue that this is about as even as you can get. I think we have a standard deviation in the model of 0.8 of a dB across the venue. Audio's
a completely new value proposition. People expect it to be clear, crisp and impactful. And you know, if you've got a system that can do that, then you've done the job. We're confident that the PA that we've delivered is capable of performance of any comparable PA. We believe we've got a winner for a system that anybody wants to evaluate using their ears.